For sublimation file retrieval, makikita po natin ito sa public dashboard. And since Sabli digitizing file ang hinahanap natin, let's click Sabli Digi. Shortcut for Sabli digitizing. Then choose a specific theme. For example, DepEd. Then we can see all DepEd file. For larger viewing, click PNG. For file download, click lang po natin ang file link. And i-redirect na po tayo nito sa files. Thank you.